Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin Instagram post on your Instagram profile. So let's get started. This is a new feature Instagram has released recently. So make sure to update your Instagram app on your device so that you can access all the recent Instagram updates. First open Instagram app on your device. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Now open any post that you would like to pin to your profile. Let's say I want to pin this post. Now tap on three dots and from the available options, tap on pin to your profile option. This will take 1 to 2 seconds, and if you go back to your profile, you will find this little pin icon on the post. To unpin the post, open the post again, then tap on three dots and then tap on unpin from your profile option. So that is how you can pin Instagram post on your Instagram profile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.